Okay, guys, so now what I'm going to show you is how to add a text record to a domain. I'm actually going to put this into Google um, Postmaster so I can just keep on track, check the domain health, and make sure everything is okay with it. So here we go. I'm in my domain settings here, and I'm going to go to DNS management. This is Website Builder is the host of this domain, so real important. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a DNS record for Website Builder, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit text record. So I'm going to go back for host. I'm going to put the @ symbol, and for the value, I'm going to go back to my Google Postmaster, and I'm going to scroll over here to the domain KJR Digital Marketing. Then I'm going to verify. So I want to take this text record, copy it, okay, go back to Website Builder, paste that value, and I'm going to hit add record. Okay, so that's how you add a text record in um, Website Builder. Okay, so I'm going to add that record and the DNS record updated. This may take some time to apply. All right, we'll hit dismiss or hit OK. Okay, and now what I want to go back and do is I want to hit cancel here. Then I want to refresh that page. Okay. And I'm going to go down, just make sure that the text record went in. It did, site verification right here. So it's there. So now what I'm going to do is go back to Postmaster, and I'm going to click here. I'm going to go verify domain and verify. And it's not showing up yet. This could actually take just a few minutes. But let me do this one thing because I'll refresh this page here. And then let me go back, hit cancel. Let's just refresh this page. And again, it may take sometimes several to 7 to 8 minutes here. So now let's verify this. And again, the text record was not found. So let me just make sure that I got it in there properly. That's that. All right. Google verification. Okay. Go back to Website Builder. Let's just edit it. Delete that. Paste it. And shut that down. Refresh the page. Go back here. Click verify domain. Verify. And yeah, I think Website Builder takes a little bit longer than GoDaddy, but I'll go back and verify that later. But I know everything is correct in it. We've put in a new text record. It's really simple to do. Again, it just may take a little bit longer with Website Builder than it does GoDaddy. Okay. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like the video, my friends.